Looking to take control of your finances without the confusion? Welcome to Smart Finance Simplified, where personal finance becomes easy, empowering, and achievable for everyone. On this channel, we break down complex financial topics like budgeting, debt management, and investing into simple, practical steps. Our mission is to help you build a secure financial future, one smart decision at a time. Whether you're just starting your financial journey, looking to grow your savings, or planning for retirement, Smart Finance Simplified has content tailored for you. From easy-to-follow budgeting tutorials to practical investment strategies and debt reduction tips, our videos give you the tools and knowledge to manage your money confidently. Our content is not just simplified, but backed by research and real-world applications, making finance approachable without sacrificing depth. You don't need to be a finance expert to understand, just someone willing to take the first step. Ready to simplify your financial life? Hit that subscribe button, join our growing community, and let's take the guesswork out of managing money together. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Smart Finance Simplified. Because financial freedom should be simple, achievable, and empowering.